What if you land in Vietnam and have no internet? You won't believe how frustrating that can be. Most people get this wrong, but here's why: choosing the right eSIM makes your trip smoother. An eSIM lets you activate mobile data without a physical SIM card. You scan a code, connect instantly, and stay online. After testing several options, the best eSIMs for Vietnam offer fast speeds, strong coverage, and affordable plans. The top ones connect to major local networks, giving you stable data in cities and rural areas. Most plans include unlimited or high-speed data for a set number of days, perfect for navigation, bookings, and messaging. The surprising truth is that airport SIMs are often more expensive than eSIMs. In conclusion, using an eSIM saves time, money, and stress while traveling in Vietnam. Subscribe for more travel tech tips. Title start how to use Messenger Lite title BND script start what if you could message friends instantly without your phone slowing down, draining battery, or using too much data? Most people get this wrong, but here's why: Messenger Lite is still one of the smartest messaging options for simple, fast communication. Messenger Lite is a lightweight version of Facebook Messenger designed for speed, low data use, and older or slower phones. It removes heavy features like games, stories, and animated effects, so you only get what truly matters: messages, photos, and calls. To start, download Messenger Lite from the App Store and open it. Log in using your Facebook account or phone number. Once logged in, your contacts and conversations will load automatically. You do not need to sync anything manually. The home screen shows your recent chats. Tap any conversation to open it. You can send text messages, photos, stickers, voice notes, and emojis. You can also make voice calls directly inside the app. Most people think Lite means limited, but you still get everything needed for daily messaging. To start a new chat, tap the plus icon and search for a name or phone number. You can also create group chats by selecting multiple contacts. Notifications are simple and fast, helping you respond quickly without draining your battery. Messenger Lite uses much less storage than the regular app and consumes less data. This makes it perfect for users with limited internet plans or phones with small memory. It also runs smoothly even on slower networks. The surprising truth is that many people prefer Messenger Lite even on modern phones, because it feels cleaner and faster. No clutter, no distractions, just communication. If you want a simple, reliable messaging app that does not slow you down, Messenger Lite is still a smart choice. Subscribe for more simple tech guides that make your life easier.